Hi, let's solve some problems using the sum and difference of two cubes. First, let's remember what the sum of two cubes looks like. If we see an expression in the form a cubed plus b cubed, it can be factorized using the cubic identity for the sum of two cubes. That is a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. If we note something's in the form of the difference of two cubes, that is a cubed minus b cubed, then it has a similar formula in the form of a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Note how similar they are. The first one for the sum of two cubes begins with a plus and then turns into a takeaway, whereas the difference of two cubes begins with a difference, a takeaway, followed by a plus. These two similarities and differences are really important to note when you're trying to remember how to factorize. Let's take a look at two examples. Here we're asked to factorize each expression, 27x cubed plus 1 and x cubed minus 8. We begin by writing the expression 27x cubed plus 1, and we note that it is in the form of a cubed plus b cubed. This means that we have to remember the cubic identity for the sum of two cubes. So now I'm going to write it in the form a cubed plus b cubed. That means I'm going to write it as 3x all cubed plus 1 cubed. Now I have a value for a and b. I am now going to substitute into my sum of two cubes formula. The important thing to note in that second bracket is the 3x all squared. Everything inside that bracket is being squared, the 3 and the x. So when you simplify, you should get 3x plus 1 multiplied by 9x squared minus 3x plus 1. Let's take a look at the second example now. X cubed minus 8. We're going to write the expression and we're going to realize that it is a difference of two cubes. So if I want to factorize it, I need to recall the difference of two cubes formula. I'll leave it down the bottom. We're going to now write it in the form a cubed minus b cubed. That is x cubed minus 2 cubed. We now have values for a and b which we can substitute. Substituting into the formula, we are left with x minus 2 multiplied by x squared plus x lots of 2 plus 2 squared. This will simplify into the fully factorized version you see before you. We have now fully factorized our two expressions using the sum and difference of two cubes formulas. Good luck!